Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use drone video for your business and wow your customers. The first way you can use drone video to wow your customers is to show off your products in action. We've used cars as examples here, but this could be anything. You could run outdoor exercise classes or sell security systems, and with drone video we're able to show them off in a way that you wouldn't be able to do with standard images or video. Showing your products in action allows your potential customers to imagine what it's like to use that product, or in this case to arrive at their wedding in this car, and this kind of stuff motivates them to take action. And that action could be anything. It could be getting in touch with you or even buying whatever you're selling. So this is really powerful stuff. Now, how to wow your customers with drone video. Point 2 is to show them the true scale of your business. Here we've got an example of a golf course which is looking a bit dry because we haven't had rain in a while, but this could be used for universities, schools, almost any kind of large tourist attraction like castles, zoos, racing tracks, holiday, leisure parks. These kind of attractions are big enough to impress your customers, but it's quite hard to communicate the scale of your business if it's this big. Point number 3 is to show the proximity of your business to other areas, and this is my absolute favourite. I think this can be hugely useful to a lot of businesses. And what I mean by this is, if your business is in a great location like this one and you're trying to attract new customers, then show off that location. This hotel can state that it has sea views in its room descriptions, but there's no way to truly show how amazing this location is without a shot like this. And here we've got the same thing selling a house. Obviously you can have your standard videos from the front of the house or photos, but you wouldn't have been able to see how close this location is to the sea. And we've got a range of views, different perspectives we can use, and photos like this that we can use with estate agents as well. Another way you can use drone video to wow your customers is to show another perspective of your business. So here are some shots from a wedding venue in Kent, and these shots of the venue as guests are arriving would be great to communicate to your potential customers how brilliant an outdoor summer wedding would be at this venue. This different perspective is a storytelling tool we can use in our marketing. Maybe your business is actually really on the ball and you're creating great video content, and if that's the case, then adding that aerial perspective is a new way to show off your business. Finally, drone video can make you stand out from the crowd and, more importantly, stand out from your competitors. An aerial time-lapse like this is different from the content that other businesses are putting out there, and at the moment that's why it gets noticed. And if your online content is more engaging and getting noticed more than your competitors, then all eyes are on you and you'll be the business they consider using when it's time for them to buy. If you found this video useful, then please like, comment, share down below. And also, if you've got any tips on places or businesses that you think we should film next, then please let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear. We've now got our commercial drone license, so if you need drone video, let us know. We're here to help. I'll see you later.